Hey there, we're here at Roost Vans with a lot of noise in the background since our parking lot's getting repaved. But besides that, we got a 24 all-wheel drive Transit we put in our core build. They must be excited about that. We put in a and in our core build we put in our paneling kit, mounting system, added some windows with inset panels, put in a drawer cabinet, as well as our infamous flip-up kit bed system with flip-up kit on both the front and the back. Nice thing with this Transit is it came with a factory floor that we were able to reuse. We normally don't put cabinetry on the existing factory floor for a Transit because it's a soft floor and not very stable, but in this case we're giving it a shot. He's going to be coming back for a phase 2, and in that phase 2 he's going to be putting in more of a kitchen array and a bench cabinet setup with a sink and a couple other items from Roost Vans. So with this core build, we also had the switch plate as part of our power panel, but he didn't have a place to put it yet until his phase 2 when he comes back and gets that kitchen. So we just made a temporary tombstone, as we call it. Well, we got some nice details on our switch panel as part of our power panel kit. We have a dimmable overhead lighted LED strips in the ceiling on a dimmer control here on this switch plate. And for under cabinetry lighting, typically we have another dimmer, as well as exterior awning, typically we have another dimmer, but you could really set these up any which way you want with our DIY switch plate and power panel wiring kit. We have a fridge switch as well as a couple auxiliaries that you can use, and a USB port that is installed into a typical cigarette plug so you can swap it out. Spot for the S-bar thermostat, and we have the S-bar currently installed in the passenger seat here. And as far as the power panel itself, typically it's hidden behind a kitchen cabinet of some sort, but in this case, since we're in the middle of the build and he's going to come back for a phase 2, we just secured the wiring best we could until he's ready to get that switch plate put into the front of a kitchen cabinet. And of course, we can't forget the vent fan with our special little bamboo trim ring, also available online. Come check us out at roostvans.com and have us build out your van, or order our products online at roostvans.com.